This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Brooke Moran. Welcome to this beautifully updated pool home, perfectly situated on a corner lot in the sought-after Colonial Oaks neighborhood. Step inside to an inviting layout with a split floor plan, offering both privacy and functionality. The newly renovated kitchen features new cabinets, sleek countertops, a live oak bar top, stylish backsplash, and new stainless steel appliances, ideal for cooking and entertaining. A cozy fireplace with an accent wall adds warmth and character to the living space, while the birchwood accent branches in the entryway create a designer touch. Enjoy two separate living areas on each side of the home. Updated with new lighting fixtures, ceiling fans, recess lighting, new luxury porcelain plank tile in each bedroom and living areas. The hall bath boss been updated with new custom tile, shower doors, toilet and vanity. The spacious master bedroom features a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. The bathroom features a walk-in shower with new tile, custom shower doors, vanity and toilet. The home opens to a private newly resurfaced pool and spacious patio, perfect for enjoying Florida living. The garage has new epoxy floors. Airbnb and short-term rentals are allowed, giving this property excellent income potential for investors or seasonal owners. Located close to top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and the area's beautiful beaches, this move-in-ready home combines comfort, style, and opportunity in one perfect package. For more information, review